Hey everybody, it's Kenneth, and I'm here to do another Baijiu video. This is going to be my fourth one on this little trip to China. Might be my last video I make. We'll see. I'm heading back to the States in a couple of days. But tomorrow's my birthday, so maybe I'll treat myself and go buy another bottle Baijiu to open. But anyway, so yeah, this bottle we got here, it's another bottle from Yangzhou, my wife's hometown. And again, Yangzhou is not really a city that's known for its baijiu, but they do have a few companies. The name of this baijiu company is Yanhuazui. I think I'm pronouncing that right. And they are from Hanjiang, part of Yangzhou. I don't know if it's a district or if it's like a sub-city, Hanjiang. The last bottle of the baijiu we had from Yangzhou was from Baoying, which is kind of the rural countryside part of Yangzhou, up in the north part of Yangzhou. So anyway, let's take a look at this box. It's kind of a nice box. Got some info there on the front. I don't think it's a terribly expensive bottle of baijiu. Probably, I don't know, 100 yuan or so. But you can see so the last bottle of baijiu I had, they had that same symbol, and that is the same quote from former President Jiangsu. So, and it was like his handwriting and everything. So, at first I thought it was the same company because they were using the same quote and image of Slender West Lake, but no, it's a different company. It's just a popular advertising campaign, I guess, for Yangzhou companies. But anyway, that's the bottle, and this one shouldn't be too hard to open. Oh, let's find the year. Yeah, how old is this? I don't know if you can see that. 2013, 11/16. So, yeah, that lady at the baijiu, the little corner store I buy my baijiu at, she really hooked me up with a bunch of older bottles. So, I think that was kind of cool. All right. Yeah, this is going to come out nice and easy, unlike I think my last one. But all right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh. All right. So there's the bottle. Yeah, that bugs me that this is not aligned. You tell it's like a little off center. Oh man, that'd drive me crazy. All right. So yeah, they got that logo and the quote there, and there's I guess this is the front. That's probably the back. Yeah, here's the front. Yeah, 42%, 500 milliliters, pretty standard. There's the top. Got the little plastic lock thing that'll break right off, but yeah, it's kind of a neat little bottle. I guess that's the other three I opened were all clear. So this is the first non-clear bottle, but yeah, I don't think it's going to be super high quality baijiu. It's the same aroma as the other first three bottles I opened. It's a strong aroma. So again, that's the stuff I like. But yeah, that's all I got for now, and we'll see if I make any more of these videos when I head back to the States. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and catch you later. Bye.